Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to share with you guys how you can also, spy on your competition's ads on Facebook. This is a great tool to use. This is a great way for you to get ideas, to know what your competition is doing, what angle are they using, so that you can, gather the best ones, from the main players in your industry, and with those ideas, try to create your copy, try to create the images, your videos, in order to get the best return on investment on your campaigns. So to spy to your competition in a free way, the best place to go is the Facebook ad library. Okay, so you have to put on Chrome ad library Facebook, and it will appear in the first position. Okay, so you can see here very easy, very simple, very straightforward. Uh, for now, since elections in the US, they have made this new item here, but you want to go and search all. Okay, and then you can put whatever name you want of the competition, or maybe a company you admire that you want to look what they are doing. In my case, I look a lot for Tai Lopez, online marketing, e-commerce, educational products. So he's always making interesting campaigns. And as you can see all the campaigns he's doing right now at this moment. Okay, since yesterday was 4th of July, he made this promo, and if you click here you will see the whole text. So you can copy the text, you can see the videos, get the ideas, but this works for every company that is on Facebook and that is advertising or that advertised in the past. So let's see another one that is interesting. Let's see IKEA. If you put IKEA, there are lots of IKEAs depending on the country, but we'll look and see this. Okay, in Ecuador there is no IKEA, but we can go and check all over the world. So let's see if there are some promotions of IKEA all around. So as you see, we put IKEA all over the planet, and you can find all the promotions they are doing. As you can see, this is in another language. I think it's Polish. Okay, interesting to see what things is IKEA promoting in that country. That is very interesting. Okay, and you can get your ideas if you're a furniture store, maybe you are a restaurant, so you can put, or a pizzeria, you can go to Domino's Pizza, and let's see if they are promoting on Facebook. You see this one? Very nice. If you are a pizza delivery, you can get, the copy, the text, and an image like this one, which right now that we are in COVID times, is very useful to have something that works, or someone wearing a mask, showing the protection you can give people. So very nice, very, very good ad. And you have videos, you can see the video, you can see the images they put, you can see the text, these promotions. Any company that has a Facebook page that is promoting, or that maybe promoted in the past, you can go to Facebook library and see what they are promoting. So this tool is extremely powerful. Right now you can go in and look for your competition, look for inspiration. Maybe you are in the, let's say, flower business, you can get inspiration from the makeup business or from the interior design. Find something that not just focus on your industry, but also get ideas from other industries. That's the best way to expand your mind and see what really can help your business grow. So when you start doing this process, you can get in your notebook, start writing, start taking notes, grab the best ideas, and based on that you can create your own advertising. Okay, because normally the big guys, the big players here, have the best returns, have the best budgets, so they and have the best people creating these campaigns. So if you gather the best things from these campaigns, your ads can also be very successful. Okay, this is just one part of the ads, is what is in the front end, what people will see. You will also have to focus on the back end, the interest, the geolocation, income, many things that apply to your business. But to start getting ideas and to start, this process, it is, I would say, one of the top 5 best tools for you to know and to have in your digital marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever you are promoting, to have. So that was everything I wanted to share with you guys today. Hope this video is valuable. If you find it helpful, please make sure to subscribe. I'm uploading videos every single day, related to affiliate marketing, digital marketing, how to make money online. I also have my website, ecommerceunderdog.com. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. And with nothing more to say, as always, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen, and I'll see you in the next one.